Are you looking for a safe and effective way to support your fitness and health goals? Look no further than Ketostat Creatine HCL Powder. This dietary supplement offers a unique blend of ingredients designed to help increase muscle mass, strength, and exercise performance. In this review, we'll take a closer look at the science behind this supplement, its features, additional benefits, warranty and service, and what other users have to say about it. The first thing you need to know about Creatine HCL is, be careful about the website you will buy this product, because Ketostat Creatine HCL Powder is only sold on the official website. To help you, I left the link to the official website below in the description of this video. Ketostat Creatine HCL is a dietary supplement that combines patented creatine HCl with L-Theanine, Alpha GPC, and Huperzine A. Creatine HCl is a pure form of creatine that has been shown to support muscle growth and increase metabolic burning to help with fat loss. L-Theanine supports healthy sleep cycles, stress levels, and cognitive function, while Alpha GPC can support both physical and cognitive performance. Huperzine A increases levels of a chemical called acetylcholine, which is important for memory and learning. Ketostat Creatine HCL Powder is a popular choice for those looking to support their fitness and health goals because it is safe, effective, and backed by scientific research. It is also unique in its combination of patented creatine HCl with other focus ingredients that support physical and cognitive performance. Additionally, it can be used for short and long-term intervals by both men and women, and has a 60-day money-back guarantee for customer satisfaction. The main feature of Ketostat Creatine HCL Powder is its patented creatine HCl, which has been shown to support muscle growth and increase metabolic burning. It also contains L-Theanine, Alpha GPC, and Huperzine A, which support healthy sleep cycles, stress levels, cognitive function, and memory and learning, respectively. It is also safe and effective, with over 500 clinical studies proving its efficacy. In addition to its main features, Ketostat Creatine HCL Powder also supports healthy cholesterol levels, which is a unique benefit compared to other creatine supplements. It can also give you better endurance to work out longer to burn more calories, and increase your energy stores and recovery. These benefits can help support your overall fitness and health goals. In summary, Ketostat Creatine HCL Powder can be a valuable investment for those seeking to enhance their fitness and health. It is crucial to prioritize consulting a healthcare professional before commencing any new dietary supplement, particularly if you have pre-existing medical conditions, to ensure the best possible results. If you're interested in buying Creatine HCL, the link in the description is currently on promotion. Click on it to learn more about the product and place your order. For more reviews like this, consider subscribing to the channel and liking the video. Thank you very much.